Once the coils are formed, we then need to do what's called inserting of the stator. All inserted stators look very similar, but have very custom designs and use custom materials. Some of those materials are for the sleeving are fiberglass, rubber, Teflon, fiberglass rubber composites, silicone coated fiberglass. Some of the phase-to-phase insulation materials are, as we said on the slot liners, we use some of the same materials. Dacron, Mylar, Nomex, NKN laminates. Some of the other custom materials may be certain lengths and materials of lead wire, certain types of butt connectors. So an inserted stator is very customized. Ramco, we're very capable of taking any type of design and building that today.